Who is this guy?
Raymond is your brother.
Why didn't anybody tell me I had a brother?
Of course, I'm an excellent driver.
You know how to drive?
Yeah.
What happened this past week?
Kiss Susanna.
Did you enjoy kissing a woman?
How was that?
Wet.
Wet?
Yeah.
I'm going well, the sun keeps shining.
Quite a trip, huh?
Yeah.
You're using Raymond. You're using me.
Raymond, am I using you? Am I using you, Raymond?
Yeah.
Shut up!
I like having you for my brother. I'm an excellent driver.
Yağmur Adam yarın 21.10'da MGM'de.